Ladies and gentlemen, we are selling a house for 950,000 rand. But then the price is negotiable. But it is negotiable within the 50,000 rand. You understand? It is located here in Pretoria, Lotus Gardens, Mojala Bay. You feel me? So as you can see, it is big, it is huge, it is very nice. So let me show you around. Follow me.
Okay, re tsana ka gate byanong guys. La bona this yard, it is very big, it is very beautiful. Gore you have extra space to do whatever that you want. La bona le go morao sa le space la e bona le lena. Level like tsama distance kana kana mara still like fetso tsamaya. O bontsha this yard is very big. Ona le garage ya mola. Ka mo ke kitchen guys. Remember nna ke agent. I'm the one finding customers to buy this house. You understand? Yes. This is the dining room, the sitting room where you watch television. And then this is the passage. The passage. The passage here how now we rekidi. Passage ya thing is very nice, it's very comfortable. Yeah, guys, so rekang buy on this number on the screen. Regan on this number on the screen. Here's the numbers. Toilet, it was made for short people and then tall people because yes, this is the bathroom. Yes, it was also big. Like I fit a little 20 gamahare. You understand? Yeah, so thank you, Mzanze.